So today we'll be looking at module 2, plumbing. We're looking at plumbing tools and equipment. That is mastering tools for safe and effective plumbing work. So this module introduces the essential tools for plumbing, including hand tools, power tools, and specialized equipment. It emphasizes the correct usage, the safety practices, and proper maintenance to ensure efficiency and professionalism. So by way of module objective, by the end of this module, learners should be able to identify and describe the major tools used in plumbing work. The learner will understand the functions of hand tools, power tools, and specialized equipment, and how each tools contribute to efficient plumbing tasks. In addition, the learner will be able to explain how to use these tools safely and correctly, while avoiding common mistakes that might lead to injury or damage. The learner will also develop the discipline required to maintain and store tools properly so that they remain reliable over time. By way of introduction, a plumber without proper tools cannot perform effectively, no matter how much theoretical knowledge they possess. Tools are the physical means through which plumbing work is carried out, from cutting and joining pipes to clearing clogs and installing features. However, owning tools is not enough. Understanding how to use them correctly and safely is what separates a professional from an amateur. This module focuses on building that understanding, ensuring that every tool is used with precision, care, and purpose. Let's have an overview of hand tools. Hand tools form the foundation of a plumber's toolkit and are used in almost everyday job. They provide control, reliability, and access to tight space where larger equipment cannot be used. Even with the availability of modern power tools, hand tools remain essential for precision work and basic repairs. So a skilled plumber must be familiar with each tool, its purpose, and its correct method of use to achieve consistent results. Let's look at the first hand tool, which is called the pipe wrench. This is an image of a pipe wrench. This is what it looks like. So the pipe wrench is one of the most recognizable plumbing tools, and it is used for gripping and turning pipes and fittings. Its adjustable um, jaws and separated teeth allow it to grip around surfaces firmly without slipping during use. Proper orientation of the wrench ensures maximum efficiency and prevents damage to fittings. However, it should never be used on delicate or polished surfaces, as the teeth can cause permanent damage. Now, the next hand tool we have is called a handsaw. This is a handsaw. A hacksaw, rather, is used for cutting pipes, bolts, and other materials during plumbing work. It consists of a frame and a replaceable blade with varying um, tooth count for different materials. Using a correct blade and applying steady pressure enables clean and accurate cuts. After cutting, the edges must be smooth to prevent future blockage or injury. The plunger is a basic but effective tool used to clear blockages in sinks, toilets, and drains. This is a plunger. It works by creating a suction and pressure that dislodges clogs rather than pushing them further down. Different types of plungers are designed for specific applications, such as flat surface or toilet drains. Proper technique is essential to achieve effective results and avoid contamination. We have the next one, an auger, also called a drain snake. An auger is used to reach and clear clogs that are too deep for a plunger to handle. So what's this a plunger cannot handle? The auger can handle it. It consists of a flexible cable that can travel through pipes or break or retrieve blockages. Care must be taken to operate the auger gently to avoid damaging pipes or getting cable stuck. This tool is essential for resolving more stubborn drainage problems effectively. So this is what an auger looks like. The next hand tool we have here is called the tape measure. I'm sure you are very familiar with this tool. Accurate measurement is critical in plumbing to ensure that pipes and fittings align correctly. A tape measure is used to determine length, the spacing and position before cutting or installation of pipes. Incorrect measurements can lead to poor fittings, leaks, and wasted materials. Developing the habit of measuring carefully and recording values is essential for professional work. Now let's move to the next category, which we call power tools. Power tools increases speed, the efficiency, and precision in plumbing work. They reduce physical effort and allow plumbers to handle larger or more complex tasks. However, they also introduce greater risk, making proper handling and safety precautions essential. Now let's look at the first we have here. We have the drill. What is a drill? The drill is a versatile power tool used for creating holes and driving fasteners. It is essential for installing pipes, brackets, and other plumbing components. Choosing the correct drill bits for different materials ensures efficiency and also prevents damages. This is a drill. Safety precautions such as wearing protective gear and checking for hidden pipes or wires are critical during an operation. We have an angle grinder. This is an angle grinder. An angle grinder is used for cutting and shaping metal pipes and fittings. It operates at high speed and requires careful handling to prevent injury. Using the correct disc for each task ensures effective, this is a disc here, ensures effective performance and reduces risk. Protective equipment is essential when operating this tool due to potential hazards. Let's look at a pipe threader. This is called a pipe threader. A pipe threader is used to create threads on metal pipes. You can see these are metal pipes, so they can be connected securely. It is essential for working with certain types of piping systems that rely on threaded connections. Proper alignment and lubrication are necessary to produce clean and accurate threads. Incorrect use can damage the pipe and compromise the connection. Now let's look at another category known as specialized equipment. Specialized equipment allows plumber to perform advanced tasks that are not possible with hand tools or power tools. These tools are often used for diagnostics, deep cleaning, and complex installations. Although they require additional training, they greatly enhance the plumber's capabilities. Mastery of specialized equipment distinguish advanced professionals from basic technicians. Let's look at it first. We have the drain camera. This is a drain camera. A drain camera is used to inspect the inside of pipes and identify hidden problems. It provides real-time visual information that helps you to diagnose issues accurately. These tools eliminate guesswork and allows for targeted repair. Proper handling is required to avoid damaging the equipment or the pipe system. We have the next, the hydrojet. An hydrojet uses high pressure water to clean and clear pipes thoroughly. It is more effective than traditional methods for removing buildups and stubborn blockages in pipes. However, it must be used carefully to avoid damaging or weak or old pipes. Inspection before use is essential to ensure safe operation. So this is an hydrojet. It uses pressure and pump water into pipe to flush out blockages. Then we have a pipe bender. This is called a pipe bender. What does it do? A pipe bender is used to shape pipes without causing damage or deformation. It allows smooth bends that maintain proper flow within the system. Using a pipe bender reduces the need for additional fittings or potential leak points. Proper techniques ensure consistent and professional results. Now let's look at some of the safety measures to carry out when it comes to tool usage. Safety is a critical aspect of plumbing work and must be considered at all times. Tools should be inspected before use to ensure they are in good condition. Appropriate protective equipment must be worn to prevent injuries. Following safe practices protect both the plumber and the work environment. Tool maintenance and storage. Proper maintenance ensures that tools remain effective and last longer. So like I said, proper maintenance ensures that tools remain effective and last longer. Cleaning tools after each use prevents rust and buildup that affects performance. Lubrication and proper storage protects moving parts and maintain its functionality. Organized storage also improves efficiency and reduce the risk of lost or damaged tools. Now, by way of conclusion, this module has introduced the essential tools required for plumbing work and emphasized the importance of proper usage, safety, and maintenance. A professional plumber understands not only how to use tools, but also how to select the right tool for each task. Maintaining tools properly ensures reliability and efficiency in every job. With this knowledge, the learner is now so maintaining tools ensures reliability and efficiency in every job. With this knowledge, you are now prepared to apply these tools effectively in practical plumbing situations. See you in Module 3.